I pulled my starter off my boat and turned out to be in really bad shape. So I had to order a kit so I could rebuild it. This is the kit here. So I'm going to rebuild this starter so we can turn that motor over. It's been a little while since I built the starter. Kind of laughed at me at the parts store. They said nobody rebuilds starters anymore. I guess we're going to get this one done. Trying not to lose the skin right away. Not sure just how tight to get these, but since it's going in plastic, I'm not going to get too crazy. Like I said, it's been a little while since I've done these. I got the starter all cleaned up. That was part of the battle. I think it's correctamundo. Okay, the brushes are in there. Now I have to get the armature, I think, in there next. This baby. On this armature, I watched a video on YouTube, and these starter brushes run on this piece right here, and there's little grooves all the way around. There's a lot of them, and the guy said to take a file like out of your hacksaw, just basically a hacksaw blade, and just go in there and kind of, you know, just kind of clean that up with a hacksaw blade. You can kind of see what I did. You can kind of see here where, you know, you can see the grooves. So that's what you want. So this has to go through here. All right. More than likely I'll leave something off. Let's see here. It's all looking pretty good so far. All right, so I got the starter rebuilt. I decided to just put it on the boat and with the battery, and it turns over. I turned it over quite a bit with the plugs out. I got the plugs in it. I got the plug wires on. There's actually two coils. One coil might be bad, the other one's good. I don't know. This is like a first time start, but I got the distributor on. I actually went ahead and did this because I had it right on top dead zero. It was real hard to get it around. There's hardly any way to turn the motor. So I decided to go ahead and put the distributor in it, put the plug wires on it, and the plugs in and all that stuff. I don't think it'll start, but who knows. Might get lucky. My luck usually doesn't run like that. That's why I'm saying that the way I am. But I wanted to get you guys in on it. Here we go. I swear I don't pour gas all over the place. I'm going to give it a pretty good drink. All right. That's definitely a good drink. We're going to turn it over and see what happens. I've got a blanket here I can throw over it if it catches on fire. I'm going to get this back on there. I got a big vacuum leak if I don't. Man, you do that. It's saying I want to run. Pump it a little bit. Try it again. Wow. It runs. Well, it sounds a little rough. We'll get smoky in here real quick. There's absolutely no water in it, but I'm not worried about that. I'm not going to run it long enough to get hot, but I'm definitely pretty happy right now. Hopefully it starts sounding a little better because it sounds rough. It's not knocking, it just sounds rough. So let's do it again. Boy, we're getting lucky on this. I'm a happy camper right now. Oh yeah, we get smoke. Where there's smoke, there's fire. Try it again. Yeah, buddy. Boy, I'm digging this. Might get some fuel in this thing. I don't know what I'm gonna do about the fuel tank yet. The gas smells terrible in it. I know it had water in it. The guy said he put a bunch of heat in there to dry up the water. So I'm gonna just hook up like auxiliary gas to the pump and just out of a bottle or something, and let it run. I'm going to take it outside and hook the water hose to it. I'm going to do a little research because I'm not sure just exactly how long you let it run without a, as far as the jet drive part. I'm a little worried about that. But I do want to let it run just a minute. Well, that's a good sign. Wow. So I think next thing I need to do is get a water hose on it, get it full of water, maybe do a little research, see what I got to do. That jet drive, I think when I hook the water to it, there's a valve where you can turn it off, turn the water off to the pump, but I don't know. I don't know much about this thing, so I don't want to mess it up. But she starts and she runs and it's not knocking and just making a little noise, but there's a lot of moving parts in there. We'll have to see how that goes. But I want to get you guys in on that. You can see how smoky it is. Anyway, I'm going to shut her down and we're going to get back on it tomorrow.